Here we have a 2019 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 18-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition as you can see just there. Coming to the front of the vehicle we do have the frozen white exterior paintwork which looks absolutely fantastic, especially in contrast with the black features around the vehicle. You may have noticed we've got a wide arch kit on this car as well, giving it that aggressive styling there. We've also got a bonnet bra at the front. Coming round to this corner you'll see your second 18-inch alloy wheel, and there's a closer look at the bonnet there as well. Now we've also got the side steps, WILDTRAK decals. You've got the carbon style wing mirrors there too. We've then got the grey wing mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You've also got the wind deflectors on top of the windows there too. Silver roof rails on top there as well. Coming to the rear you've then got your third alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Got a mountain top roller cover, the load cover there as well, and there you can see it's branded mountain top. We've also got front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, as well as a reversing camera, tow bar down below there too. Taking a step back you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there is a closer look at the last alloy wheel. Now then, going on to the interior, you may have noticed we've also got these plastic protectors to protect the paint there. On the interior got a half leather interior with the orange accents, orange stitching, and of course we've got the WILDTRAK floor mats down below. ISO fixed points built within the seats. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, 12-volt connectivity in the middle. We've got the additional storage space behind the front seats. On the doors, brushed metal handle, electric window controls, more of that leather with the orange stitching, integrated storage, and of course the integrated sound system as well, the speakers there. Going on to the front now, we've got that same half leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. We've got the WILDTRAK decals on either side, the stitching just there. The driver benefits from electrically adjustable seats as well, making it incredibly easy to get comfortable. On the doors you'll find unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls, and child lock for the rear. Leather with the orange stitching again, more integrated speakers there of course too. Auto light controls on your right, electrically adjustable power folding wing mirrors just above there. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake and turn the key, and we are away. Now as you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there. You've then got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst you're on the go. Things like speed limiter and cruise control can be found on here too. Auto wipers on the stalk on your right. Coming into the middle you've got your infotainment screen with your audio. If we go into the sources here you'll find features like AM, FM and DAB radio, CD and Bluetooth audio. You've got your climate control, so dual zone climate controls, which you can control either on the screen or down below just here. Heated seat controls for both front passengers. Phone connectivity for making calls or listening to your music. Satellite navigation as well of course. Mobile apps. Settings, you can have a flick through here. You've got features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find we've got the ambient lighting options there as well. Now I'll put the vehicle into reverse and you'll be greeted with the reversing camera with a visual display both front and rear parking sensors there as well. Now working your way down you've then got the volume and stereo controls. Again the dual zone climate controls with things like the heated windscreen just there, two 12-volt connection points, two USB ports down below. You can turn off your parking sensors just there as well as your traction control. We've also got a hill descent control just there too. 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes for off-road usage. Of course we've got our gear stick here with park, reverse, neutral and drive, and then if we put it across to the right that then takes us into sport/manual mode, so you can then change gears manually like so as well should you wish. Two good sized cup holders in the centre. Of course we've got the handbrake just there, and then we've also got our soft touch leather armrest which does double up as storage as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, then press set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with the plus and minus buttons, and then to deactivate we can either apply pressure to the brakes or simply press cancel on the steering wheel. We've then got our gear changes, so if I go into manual mode now, I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and as we slow down into 2nd there as well. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are plenty of great features to talk about in this Ranger. Of course, on the infotainment screen we've got features like DAB radio, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, just to name a few of the features. Plenty of great tech crammed in here. We've then got the incredibly comfortable half leather interior, which is of course electrically adjustable for the driver as well, making it incredibly easy to get comfortable in here too. Now here at RS Car Sales we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day and nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. If you look at it, we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now just up ahead I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump just to put the car through its paces a little bit for you. Now we're just going to wait for this other car to pull out so we can turn in and wait for this traffic. There we go. So emergency brake first, which will be in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there. Now we're just going to let this car past. Straight into reverse then. As you can see, we've got our reversing camera as well as a visual display both front and rear parking sensors. And then last but not least, we've got the speed bump here, so let's drive over this. There we go, completely free from any unwanted sounds throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously I'm not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.